as you are aware, IPv4 numbers are already exhausted worldwide. And it is only a question of time before they are exhausted in Asia. The IPv4 can only provide 4 billion internet addresses, 4 billion. And today, I think the number of connected devices is likely to exceed the population of the people. So 6 billion is the population. So in these circumstances, it has become necessary to adopt another internet protocol addressing system. So IPv6 can provide for 340 trillion, again trillion, and another trillion, so many addresses. So where it is a billion, so it is trillion, trillion, trillion. So 340, to all the people who know mathematics, it will be 10 raised to the power trillion, 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 3 trillions.
36.
He says 36, is it correct?
You are correct.
It is correct. 340, 10 raised to the power 36 addresses. So this is something which is, so it will be available for a very, very long time. Now the issue before the government organizations is that many government organizations are in e-governance space, are using the internet addressing system for public to access their data or to deliver services. Now in order to deliver these services, what should the departments do? So first of all the departments have to see their network infrastructure, whatever network infrastructure they are having, whether it is ready for IPv6 or not. Further, whatever requirements are, procurement requirements are there, they should also be purchase of IPv6 ready equipments should only be done. So whenever you procure further material, network infrastructure, kindly ensure that it is IPv6 ready. Then with your internet service provider, you have to plan for transition to IPv6. The note here tells that IPv6 assessment can take 2 to 5 years. So it is not something which can be done at one stage. It has to be done over a period of time. There has to be a transition team in each department which will work with the DOT. For the, I think the state government, IPv6 addressing will be given by EPNIC, if I am not mistaken. NIC will provide the IPv6 addressing system. Then we have to set up pilot networks to gain experience in deploying IPv6. These pilot networks can be connected to each other for doing interoperability testing. Then once you do pilot, then it has to be scaled, and then it can be first application using IPv6 for government websites can be introduced. So there is certain work which is involved. You need to go through certain processes before you can ensure that you can use IPv6 for your website. So this is a very, very important seminar. We have technical people, both sides, on the dais to address your issues. We have people here who are working either in procurement or either in e-governance space. So today's session will be very, very fruitful. We expected more number of people to come. We had invited 150 people. So maybe it appears today will just be a beginning. We will set the ball rolling and then let us hope other departments which are left out will also come and join later. So with this, I wish that this session is very useful and everyone who comes here benefits. I request you to stay here throughout. Lunch has also been arranged by the department. I wish you to stay here for the full duration so as to make this a meaningful exercise. I thank all the people who are participating and the people who have come from outside to deliver their address. Thank you.